Today, let us explore a decor home owned by Mrs. and Mr. Vitthalrao. Entrance of this home has a designer passage. This passage is adorned with elegant ledge details over a beautiful wallpaper. Walking our way into this Decorpot's finesse of simplicity. Let's meet the proud owner of this decor home.
Myself Shivaji. I work as a software engineer in Germany. I'm settled there with my wife and sister.
शिवाजी की मम्मी हूँ, हम उनके साथ अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं.
The TV unit of home is enriched with showcase shelves and ledges in white glossy laminates. Moving towards the dining space of this home, this grand crockery unit is standing alongside a traditionally ornamented puja cabinet. Speaks of the designer's art. Let's hear a word from Shivaji.
When we bought this apartment, we were looking for a good designer. We searched a lot of options through internet, through Facebook and Twitter and many other platforms. And then my wife found a Decorpot page on the Facebook, and she liked a lot of designs over there. And then we interacted, and then we found it very, very interesting, and then we decided to go with the Decorpot. The kitchen, which is very, very interesting to me.
This kitchen has a blush tone and a glossy white laminated setting of modular. This complete home has designer false ceilings styled uniquely in each area.
मास्टर बेडरूम बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. वहाँ बैठ के टीवी देखना और विंडो से बाहर देखना अच्छा लगता है.
A majestic wardrobe and a rare concoction of TV and dressing unit designed in tune to the theme of this master bedroom. This room characterizes sophistication at first sight, with an abstract headboard by the bed and a wall of a spacious trend-setting wardrobe. Designing dream home is always a successful task with Decorpot.